Oh my god, it's finally here. BRB Entertainment's very first board game. Let's bust this bad boy up. Okay, not gonna be able to do that with the camera like that. Man. This is the prototype for our first game, or I guess you could call it finished. I don't know, we review it right now. But this is our very first difficult box to open. This is the first difficult box that we're ever going to have. Suspense is killing me. So what is this? People are like, oh Adam, what's the first game that you're going to make? And I'm just like, oh, you know. Please don't poop your pants. A survival game. Set around being in a wedding with the kitchen gone awry and all your little characters are trying to go from pooping their pants. I know, classic design, right? Let's take a look at these components. So I'm very excited. This is the first time I've done anything remotely like this, so I'm gonna. I always talked about making board games. This is the first one. Of course, it has to be about poop, right? Because that's like what we do. Man, come on. Well, I guess for a prototype, you can't expect too much. So, we got our little guest sheets. Oh, there's the invitation. That's nice. A little character markers. Let's take a look at this board. Okay, so this is a smaller board than I thought of, but still well made. Look at that. Okay, so that's pretty neat. I had to put this in there. Special thanks to Dr. Terrell Dome. Which is preposterous because my friend had absolutely no involvement with the game whatsoever except for just hearing my original idea, which he thought was absolutely preposterous. Let's take a look at some of these components now. Yeah, these are pretty good. It's pretty neat. I'm excited about this. So it's not like super astonishing for the first variation of this, but that sure is kind of cool. Here's our food and drink cards. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. A game about not pooping inside of your trousers. What an incredible storyline. That sells itself. Oh yeah, what I'm really excited about. special invitation. Come join us on our special day. You are cordially invited to witness the exceptional pairing of Robert O'Haring and Elizabeth Parsnips on May the 17th at the Apostate Church in Framingham. A full banquet with open bar will be provided to all attending, as well as a wide selection of hors d'oeuvres beforehand. You may dress casually, but upon special request of the bride, if it is asked that you please don't poop your pants, as it may upset the other guests. Thanks advance, and hope to see you there. Freaking classic. So, I just had to add that because I was pretty excited. My first impression is, I don't know. I'm used to playing a lot of quality products, so like the box and stuff. It looks a little bit different from how I expected, and the components, you could tell they're a little bit more cheaply made. They're not cheaply made, but they're not the same professional grade that I'm used to seeing. But that's alright, because this is the first variation of this, so that's actually pretty good. So that's great. I'm pretty happy about it. Alright, well that's all for now.